to another video. If this is your first time here, darling, my name is Cameron Garrison, and I'm everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. In today's video, I have a double luxury unboxing. Yes, darling. Salvatore Ferragamo. I have two items. I actually, believe it or not, I did pick these up probably a month or so ago. So they're already in use, have been used, darling. Um, so yeah, if you're interested in videos like that or this, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and keep on watching, darling. Ooh, I think I'm gonna go make an espresso real quick. All right, I hope the bitch is working. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Okay, I had to get a little pep in my step. This is from Doggone Brewery in Rockport, Texas. The freaking, I'll have to put it down below. Now, I did go there once. I think it's a wine place. The wine's not that good. It's like very sweet. I wasn't into it. Like I said, so today I have a double Ferragamo unboxing, darling. These purchases are from The Real, darling. Not sponsored. This is my first purchase from The Real. I will say the process was pretty smooth. I had no issues, and it came pretty quickly. All right, hi everyone. So, 2 packages just arrived. I'm just opening them up on camera like this, just in case. I guess I don't need the knife for that one. But just in case The Real tried it. Oh, ow. I was wondering. So there's 2 things. I was wondering if it was going to show the box. And it did. I look like shit, so let's just see. Oh, it came with the original box. That's fab. I didn't expect that. Ooh. Ooh, beautiful. So it's literally a little key holder. Like I said, I'm only doing this like this, so they know. So The Real knows if they send me some shit. Oh my god. What do you think it is, bitch? I hope it's in good condition. I got the Salvatore Ferragamo iconic top handle in a gorgeous black lizard, darling. Ooh, shooky. Does it have a bad smell? Oh my god, this is so chic. And it did not come with the strap, and I actually don't care because I don't carry any of my bags with the strap. I carry them like this. Let me do a little. Oh, it's the medium size. It's not a small. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I thought I would need. Let me just do a little spin for you guys. I thought I was gonna need some. We'll stuff it real quick. I thought it's perfect. Let me stuff it. My darlings, introducing. Let me get a good see. My darlings, introducing the Black Lizard Salvatore Ferragamo, iconic, like me, top handle bag. It did not come with the strap, which you know I carry all of my bags like the queen that I am, so not a problem for me, honey. If I plan on reselling it, that would be a thing, but no. She's stunning. Oh my god, I forgot that I was supposed to find this. So obviously I did have to order this little key. This is my first, like, I have my Louis Vuitton key clay or whatever, clay that's zipped, the zippy pouch. But the only thing is this doesn't hold anything. Like, I'm sure I guess it could, but I'm not putting nothing in here. Oh, I guess you can put cards over there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Anyways, so I guess you can put cards over here. Keys. I only got one key. We don't have a garage in this house, which is fine. I can wait for my next home to have a garage. But it has the matching clasp, obviously. And I have the shoes that match this exact leather. Open it up. How gorgeous is that? And I would put my car key in here, but that's a hassle. I don't want shit hanging from my steering wheel. And then onto the bag, darling. Let's get a good look at her. Can you freaking even, like, great condition. I did stuff it. It's been a few weeks, but I've also used it, so it came unstuffed. But how fab. I actually did go ahead and clean it with my conditioner. I'll put the picture of that conditioner up here. I also put the conditioner on my Brandon Blackwood Python bag. Um, it worked. It's fabulous. It laid the skin down, or it did lay the scales down and do what it needed to do. I will do an updated video about that, so please don't forget to subscribe in case you are interested. If you didn't see that bag, she's up there, honey. That's a python. Yes. Only purchase exotics from here on out, darling. Don't purchase, like, okay. Oh, I wanted to also say this. You know how, like, the beaded bag trends going around? Okay, you guys go ahead and have your beaded bags. I'll stick with the exotics from here on out, honey. Isn't she beautiful? Wow. Why do I need a Kelly? Oh, if I'll put up a picture of what these are going for right now on the. This is a medium. I'm sorry. You are fucking lying. That's the second time that's ever happened to me. I hope there's nothing plugged in right here. We're good. Fuck. That's the second time that's happened. Damn. So if you believe it, this is the medium. The small is on their website currently. Let me just put a picture up. $9,500. I didn't pay nothing near that, darling. Oh, I also want to give a shout out to Babs because I did send this bag to her after I got it. And like, girl, do you think I did good? Like, she's like the OG. 7 videos actually of her iconic top handle collection, and like that's kind of how I was like, ooh, that's a nice bag. But I did know what the bag was before. She just made me think, oh fuck, I better hurry up and buy one because this price is going to skyrocket. So I wanted to make sure that I did get a very special piece. Like, I wanted it to be special. I didn't want it to be just the plain one. So when I found this on the Real, I was like, and also I wanted an exotic bag this year. I would have gotten, if Brandon Blackwood came out with a lizard, one of those, I would have bought that. If it had leather on the inside, that's a whole other thing. We'll talk about that in another video. But was less. This was less than that. Okay, this was less than that. Now, would you like to see the inside? It is stuffed. Oh, I should show that it didn't come with the original, but of course it did come with this big old The real dust bag. The hardware is great. I did like, oh, let me do a little. Hopefully you can't see. So you can't carry it. I mean, I guess you could carry it open like a Kelly, but that's kind of sloppy. I would never carry it like open like I would a Kelly, but it's chic, very chic, very glamorous. It's very much giving Princess Diana vibes. As you know, I'm obsessed with her. In black, like, sorry, a black bag's always gonna do it for me. Guys, I hope that this video works out. I hope that you can hear me. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and come on back because I do have some great, fabulous videos planned. I have more. Oh, fuck, you can see that bag in this whole video. I'm everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. Have a great day.